Welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today I'm going to walk you through Seed Retail Store Excel financial model. Starting from the table of contents, we have input sheet, revenue analysis, inventory analysis, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, working sheet, and dashboard. There are some how to use helping cells. Well, peach cell shows input cells, gray cell shows formula result, light gray font shows helping cells. Coming towards the input sheet, well, it's the most important sheet of the whole financial model. In this sheet, you're gonna input the assumptions. Well, starting from the starting inputs, here we have company start date, operation start date, then we have equity financing, then we have debt financing, we have revenue and cost assumptions, then we have cost growth rate, then we have the revenue price growth, we have users and marketing budget assumptions, then we have monthly employees payroll along with the growth, then we have department cost along with the increase rate, then we have cost and capex and opex assumptions, we have capital expenses amount, months, asset life and depreciation per month, then we have operating expenses along with the monthly amount, starting month inputs, then we have working capital assumptions like payable days and receivable days, then we have revenue analysis. Well, it's a detailed calculation for the revenue. We have the customer calculations, customer segmentation calculations, we have item and product sold calculations, then we have revenue from products sold, and we have the total revenue along with the cost of services. Then we have the inventory analysis. Here's the whole inventory analysis sheet where we have opening inventory, then we have units sold, we have flower seed package, then we have target inventory, then we have purchase inventory, and then we have the closing inventory calculations, and then we have the closing inventory in dollars calculations. Coming towards the startup summary, well, this sheet is for the investor purpose. Well, we have in here the summary for the total funding, total expenses, we have investors funding, loan funding and private funding, then we have expenses which includes variable cost and fixed cost along with the capex, then we have utilization of funds, startup summary, assets and liabilities. Coming towards the financial statement, we have it's basically a three statement financial model. So we have income statement, cash flow statement and balance sheet. Coming towards the financial analysis, here we have the break-even analysis which contains break-even sales and contribution margin calculations. Then we have company valuation, which have weighted average cost of capital and we have an initial investment. Then we have expected equity percentage offered to investors, we have company valuations, then we have sensitivity analysis on actual, optimistic and pessimistic base. Then we have KPIs and ratios, which includes profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios and efficiency ratios. Coming towards the working sheet, well, it's the working sheet for the employee payroll, their department cost, their operating expenses, their depreciation schedule, asset calculation and loan schedule along with the working capital calculations. Then here we have the dashboard, which it's the overview of the whole financial model, which represents the monthly revenue analysis, operating expenses, profitability, cash flow segmentation, break even, cash flow analysis, total assets and liabilities, equity and total liabilities, and here we have the GP margin, NP margin, revenue growth, NPV, IRR and expected equity percentage. Well, in case you have any query, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.